How to make out. While kissing someone you like for even a few seconds can be electrifying or intense enough on its own, making out takes kissing to a new level. If you want to make out the right way, then you have to know how to sustain your passion, mix things up, and make your kissing partner feel appreciated. Whether you've been with the same person for a while or you're kissing someone new, read on to find out how to make out like a pro. Initiating the make-out session. Make eye contact. Meet your kissing partner's eyes and give him or her a little smile to show that you're ready for some action. You can also gently lean your forehead against your kissing partner's, put your hand on his face, touch his leg, or even give him or her a quick peck on the lips before you really start kissing. This helps start a connection and gets your partner more ready to kiss you. If you swoop in without any warning, the kissing session may be unexpected, and not in a good way. Your eye contact doesn't have to be super intense, especially if you're just starting out with this person. Just a few seconds of eye contact should get the message across. Move slowly and gently. This is very important. The best way to prevent head-butting, elbowing, and clanking teeth is to do everything slowly, especially in the beginning and when you're changing positions. As time progresses, you can introduce more passionate kissing techniques, but they can only be sustained for so long. Always return to a slow, comfortable pace. Start with a kiss on the lips, then, if you want to French kiss, slowly move your tongue into your partner's mouth as he or she does the same. Once your tongues are in each other's mouths, you can move them slowly in a circular motion, move them on top of each other, or do whatever feels good without moving too fast or getting sloppy. Remember that if you're making out for the first time, you have to be extra cautious before you begin. The first time is about figuring out the person's comfort level, boundaries, and favorite maneuvers. Keep your hands busy. This doesn't mean that you should frantically paw your kissing partner every chance you get. However, you'll be more comfortable kissing if you don't keep your hands neatly planted on your lap. Once you're comfortable, and especially if you're sitting down, try to explore your kissing partner's body, as long as you're both okay with it. Basically, just keep your hands moving from time to time, so you don't get stuck in the same old boring position. Try cupping their face, touching their waist, or holding hands. If you're kissing a man, put your arms around his neck or touch his arms, neck, back of his head, or even his chest. If you're kissing a woman, touch her shoulders and her waist, and wait for the signal that she's ready for more. Tease your kissing partner. You can still play hard to get in the middle of a makeout session. When it's going great, just pull back for a second and look into your kissing partner's eyes. Locking eyes will be sexy and will make your kissing partner want to kiss you even more badly. Though you shouldn't try this move all the time, once or twice per makeout session will do the trick. This is also a great move if you need a little break from so much kissing. Remember to come up for air. Taking a little break from kissing is perfectly fine and can even help get you back into the kissing mindset. If you're tired but don't want to stop yet, just come up for air, slow down your kissing pace, or don't be afraid to take a quick bathroom break or ask for a glass of water. If you're not feeling comfortable with so much kissing, then you won't be able to enjoy yourself or give your best effort. It's okay. Taking a break from time to time will actually make you a better kisser.